Good evening and welcome to my evening midweek recap here for the S&P 500. I've taken one new trade for the week. If you remember from my previous videos, I was looking at the 272 calls about 1 week out in the future off the 50 SMA. Monday, obviously did not take that trade. Tuesday, got a very nice break above a green candle here on the hourly basis, reclaimed the VWAP, and it looked like I was going to get a test of the 8 EMA here by the end of the day. Did not occur, but I did get in 224, took half off here at 253. Took another 5 off here up at $3 on the open today, and the rest trailed me out once it broke back below VWAP here. On the 15-minute basis, you can see what happened, why I took profit where I did. And it's pretty clear that the bears did have control of price action today. They've had it for a few days. Per my levels here, the blue line is the 8 EMA, yellow line is the 21 EMA, always on my chart. Tony over the Trade Crew chat timed this one perfectly. I think he called pretty much the exact top as far as where we rolled over. He's 273.90, 91, and he got it by about 2 pennies. So props to him. Very nice trade there. They got into the puts. I, however, maintained my stance as a perma bull and had wanted nothing to do with the drop on the day. But price action has now created a very ugly broadening formation on the way down. Could be looked at as a potential bear flag that it has broken. And we may have a measured move down to about 266, 267, excuse me, 267 to 266 and a half. Get my notes here. As you can see, this here was the, was the flag pole, the initial break, tried to reclaim, got rejected by the upper side of the flag, and now it's looking to make a move down to these profit targets, anywhere between, excuse me, then 268.5 and 267.5. So anywhere in between these two levels, expect some buying to come in, some profit taking, all that stuff. Also have a couple of interesting levels down below. Consolidation of numerous levels that may provide support here. Zoom out a little bit, it's a little bit more evident of what's going on the hourly time frame. We're now coming into upward trend support, 200 SMA support, what should be looked at as a profit target for the bears on this move down, as well as this previous consolidation zone where the initial break was around 266, 265 area. So I do have this big green block right here that indicates there should be at least some demand right here. I will look for 267 calls approximately 2 weeks out in the future for a swing trade. I am also looking at a play in the SPX. It's going to be an amazing trade if it works out and comes all the way down there and gets me in. If it does not, then I'm not even going to talk about it. So I'm waiting on this 200 SMA to be tested. There will be stops down here below 269, which will probably trigger another slight waterfall effect. Just want to see what's going on here after hours. Not much, just forming. It looks like another bear flag, so nothing really there. Volume doesn't really concern me on the after hours anyways. Price action is bearish. I'm looking for supports to come into play, and I'm going to be waiting right here in this 267 area. If I am triggered into that play, I will look for profit right here at the 50 SMA. That is a pretty big move, $5 move for the S&P 500. Currently, the ATR, average trading range for S&P, is about 340, 350. However, once these last few days are priced into that movement, I expect this level to come up a little bit more. So for now, just being patient, picking my levels. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Have a good evening and good luck.